Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share Madhubani bird painting. Let's start. I'm going to start my painting with drawing borders on all sides. Draw those circles using a compass. Inside the circle, I'm going to draw a bird. Draw lightly with a pencil. If something is wrong, you can just rub it, otherwise it will make some mess. Using the fine liner, I am drawing the outline. Just right now I am drawing the eye and beak. Just making the body of the bird. I am going to fill the body of the bird with very simple patterns like fish patterns or dashes or lines or geometrical patterns generally we use in the Madhubani painting. Just trying to fill the rest of the bird with some patterns. I'm going to create a branches and leaves. If you want, you can sketch flowers also, but I don't have a space here, so I'm just keeping the design super simple. Here I am filling the patterns in branches and leaves with some parallel lines and dashes. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm drawing some designs throughout the circle. So next step is to color the background. Here I am going to color with light green color. You can either prefer blue, red or maroon, orange, yellow, blue. Everything is fine. Just be careful while painting the background. Just paint outside the bird and leaves. I am done with my painting, and here I am just giving some details. I made few Madhubani painting videos in my channel. If you are interested, please go and check it out. I will give all the links in the description box below. As you can see, here I am drawing a border. First I thought to leave it like that, but it looks like something is missing, so I decided to draw some border. Let's see how it looks. If you want to know more about Madhubani painting, please let me know in the comment section below so that I will make more videos. I'm going to fill the border with the same green color. Let me finish my coloring. So as you can see, the green color background looks like a little patches, so I'm going to give a double coat. So I'm done with the second coat. Now it looks nice and neat, and my painting is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.